Now we go for digital multimeter. Digital multimeter DMM. Everybody knows that what is multimeter. It is a digital multimeter. How it works? Simply by changing the knob, by connecting the probes to the unknown resistance or unknown voltage, unknown frequency, unknown capacitance, that also will be measured easily. But digital multimeter, how it works? A digital multimeter, basically a digital voltmeter. Whatever be the we want to measure, that is the basically voltmeter. It may be used for measurement of voltage, current, DC or AC, and resistance. Digital multimeter, we are using one knob. By selecting switch we are using. Similarly, what is the block diagram? You can see we have multimeter. You can see the multimeter. The multimeter having one knob. According to AC or DC, by changing the knob position we can measure the non voltage. If you want to, again probes are connected. The inputs for multimeter will be given by probes. We measure the unknown resistance, how to measure the current, how to measure the voltage by using digital multimeter. What is the basic block diagram of digital multimeter? Let us see now. Whatever be the signal, whatever be the voltage we given for multimeter, that will be converted into voltage, the equivalent voltage. Suppose if you want to measure the resistance, how the circuit of and multimeter is, we have to connect the input voltage is connected to resistance. After that, what is the basic block diagram of digital multimeter? We can see here, that is the input voltage, DC voltage and AC voltage, both we can using measure by selecting the knob. This is the changing knob. According to the input, if it is AC, we have to change the knob into AC position. If you want to measure the current, then the probes has to be connected. Current, all quantities of DC voltage are first converted into an equivalent DC voltage by using some device. The block diagram, basic block diagram, as shown in this figure. For measurement of AC voltage, the input voltage is converted into DC voltage. For a measurement of AC, the voltage will be converted into DC by using rectifier inside of multimeter. A compensated attenuator is employed. Many manufacturing provides some attenuator for AC and DC measurements. Attenuator means opposes the sudden change of voltage, sudden change of resistance, like that. A compensated attenuator is employed. For this, many manufacturers, the DC voltage is fed to first attenuator. After the DC voltage, again whatever be the DC voltage we given to analog to DC converter, counter, display, similar to voltmeters. Again, every digital multimeter has a one digital voltmeter. It is again digital voltmeter principles. There are so many methods we are using digital voltmeter. Many principles we can use. We can see the block diagram. By this block diagram, you can observe that it has number of range selecting switch. It is a range selecting switch. If you want to measure the current to voltage converter will be converted. After that, the DC voltage will be connected, ADC counter again. If you want to measure the current, constant current source, if you want to measure, again it will be converted into voltage, again it will be measured. Like that, a range selecting switch, a knob it is known as. By changing the positions of multimeter, you can measure so many values, DC voltage, AC voltage, frequency or resistance, like that. It is a simple block diagram of a digital multimeter. Every multimeter have an attenuator and compensated attenuator, rectifier to measure the current, DC, AC voltage. If you want to measure, you can see here it is the DC voltage measurement. If you want to measure the AC by using multimeter, what we have to do? First we have to change the knob. That means the position of the knob is connected to AC. After that, attenuator it is connected. Whatever be the input we given, if any according to required meter design, according to meter range, that attenuates the unknown signals. After that, rectifier it will be fed. Here it will be converted to DC voltage. Again the principle is same. Whatever be the input voltage we given, AC or DC, it works on, it will be converted into DC only. That DC is given to analog to digital converter. Again DVM principle we are using. Similarly, the digital multimeter works. Suppose if you want to measure the resistance of a constant current source is connected, If you want to measure the resistance, a constant current source will be connected. If you want to measure the milliamps, current to voltage converter will be connected inside of multimeter. By changing the knob of the multimeter, there are so many circuits will be altered inside. That is the basic digital multimeter.